Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to make group chat on Snapchat. First of all, make sure that you're on your profile section and then go back into your account disability, which you're going through the chat section. And here, as you can see, I have many options right there on the bottom side, but I will go through the spotlight on the adding section. That will give me a chance to create a group. Now I need to tap on the new group, and also if I tap on new group here, I can add the name of the group. For example, I have forgot to tick on my right side. Now I will go add to a group. Now I need to choose the persons that to be included in the group. For example, this one and this one. Also, no, as you can see, if for example this person hasn't added you as a friend yet, that means that you don't have a permission to add him to a group. Now we'll go with this one and go chat with group. Now guys, as you can see, I have created a group on Snapchat. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.